Most men don't realize that the secret to stronger sperm, better fertility, and even more energy could be sitting quietly in their kitchen right now. And no, it's not a pill, not a supplement, but a simple, creamy smoothie made with a handful of powerful nuts. Today, I'll take you through a natural recipe that has been backed by science to improve sperm count and motility while also boosting overall male reproductive health. So, if you've been worried about low sperm count, poor motility, or even if you just want to improve your chances of fathering a child, stay with me till the end, because this nut smoothie could change everything. Let's be honest. Around the world today, male fertility is quietly declining. Stress, poor diet, alcohol, smoking, processed foods, and even lack of sleep are taking a heavy toll on men's reproductive health. Many men don't realize it, but sperm quality isn't something that stays the same forever. Doctors are reporting that sperm counts are dropping by as much as 50% compared to a few decades ago, according to large reviews published in journals like Human Reproduction Update. For some men, this means difficulty starting a family. For others, it means less energy, poor testosterone balance, and even low confidence. But here's the good news. What you eat can completely turn this story around. And that's where our powerful nut smoothie comes in. Nature has already given us the tools to fix this problem. Nuts, seeds, and fruits are packed with the exact nutrients your body needs to produce healthier, stronger sperm. And when blended into one daily smoothie, they work like rocket fuel for your fertility. Let's break it down ingredient by ingredient so you understand why this works. First, we start with walnuts. Walnuts are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, and these are absolutely essential for sperm production. In fact, a study in the journal Biology of Reproduction found that men who consumed 75 grams of walnuts daily for 12 weeks showed improved sperm vitality, motility, and morphology. That means the sperm moved better, lived longer, and were formed correctly. Walnuts are also high in arginine, an amino acid that increases blood flow to the reproductive organs. This doesn't just improve fertility, it also supports stronger performance overall. And let's not forget antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E in walnuts, which reduce oxidative stress, a major reason sperm get damaged in the first place. Next, we add almonds. Almonds are like nature's vitamin capsule, especially for men. They are high in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant and protects sperm from damage. One clinical study published in Andrologia showed that supplementing with vitamin E significantly improved sperm motility and fertilization rates. Think of vitamin E like a shield. It prevents free radicals from attacking your sperm cells. That's important because sperm are very delicate, and even small amounts of oxidative stress can reduce their ability to fertilize an egg. Almonds also supply magnesium, which helps regulate testosterone levels. Stable testosterone is critical for libido, stamina, and sperm production. Then comes cashews. Cashews are loaded with zinc, which is perhaps the most important mineral for male fertility. Without zinc, sperm simply cannot be produced in healthy numbers. The World Health Organization, WHO, has recognized zinc deficiency as a key risk factor for low sperm quality worldwide. Clinical studies have shown that men with adequate zinc intake have higher sperm counts, improved motility, and better testosterone levels. Zinc also protects the prostate gland, which plays a crucial role in semen production. By adding cashews, you're directly supporting the system that makes sperm in the first place. To add a creamy texture and natural sweetness, we include bananas. Bananas aren't just good for energy, they contain an enzyme called bromelain, which has been linked to improved libido and sexual function. Bananas are also rich in vitamin B6, which supports hormone regulation. Balanced hormones equal better testosterone levels, which directly improves sperm count and sexual vitality. In addition, bananas provide potassium, which keeps blood pressure in check and ensures proper circulation to reproductive organs. Poor circulation often leads to erectile issues, so bananas help prevent that too. Then we sweeten things naturally with dates. Dates have been used for centuries as a natural fertility booster in the Middle East and North Africa. They are rich in amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that improve sexual stamina and reproductive health. Research has shown that dates improve sperm quality by enhancing motility and morphology. They also provide natural sugars for quick energy, without spiking blood sugar like processed sweets. Dates contain selenium, which works hand in hand with zinc and vitamin E to protect sperm DNA from damage. For men trying to conceive, that protection is critical. Finally, we pour in milk, or if you prefer a lighter version, almond milk. Milk provides protein and calcium, supporting overall body strength. Almond milk keeps it dairy-free but still creamy and delicious. Adding milk or almond milk ensures the smoothie delivers both macronutrients, proteins, fats, carbs, and micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals in balance. And for an extra touch, you can add a teaspoon of honey, a natural energy booster and fertility tonic that has been praised for centuries in both traditional medicine and modern nutrition. Honey provides trace minerals, improves energy, and has even been shown to enhance sperm quality in animal studies. Now let's put this together. To prepare, soak a handful of walnuts, almonds, and cashews overnight to make them easier to digest. In the morning, add them into a blender. Throw in a few dates, one ripe banana, and a glass of milk, or your choice of plant-based milk. Blend until smooth, and you have a fertility powerhouse in a glass. This smoothie is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, all the building blocks your body needs to produce healthy sperm. When taken consistently, it can improve sperm count, motility, and even the shape of the sperm cells. It's not a miracle cure overnight, but with steady use, it can transform your reproductive health. So, if you've been searching for a natural way to boost your fertility, this nut smoothie may be the simplest and most effective step you can take today. Try it daily for a few weeks and watch how your energy, vitality, and reproductive health improve. Taken together, this smoothie is like a multivitamin for male fertility, but without pills, without chemicals, just natural foods your body understands. If you make this nut smoothie a part of your daily routine, you're not just boosting sperm count, you're also improving your energy, balancing your hormones, and taking a step toward a healthier, more confident you. Here's an important fact. Sperm take about 70 to 90 days to fully mature. That means the choices you make today will directly impact your fertility in the next 3 months. So if you want results, be consistent. So why not try it for a week? Notice the difference in your energy, mood, and vitality. Over weeks and months, you'll be giving your body the building blocks it needs to create strong, healthy sperm. And remember, share this video with a friend who might need it because most men don't realize that something this simple could make such a big difference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment below if you're going to try this recipe, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Your health is in your hands, and sometimes all it takes is one glass of a powerful nut smoothie to turn things around.